Hi there, I'm Mercury.
Hi, I'm Mando.
And today we're going to be showing you how to make hot sauce in an Instant Pot or just any old pressure cooker. So the ingredients that we'll be using today is just some distilled white vinegar, of course the peppers. We have Anaheim chili peppers and jalapenos that we'll be using. There's a couple sweet peppers, sprinkled in there. We probably won't use them because we want this hot sauce to be as hot as possible. We'll be adding some onion and garlic and lime juice to just create a bunch of different flavors to really just smack you in the mouth. We might even add a little agave nectar just to give it that, just that little thing on top that you're not even quite sure what it is or what it does. I don't even know what agave is, but it's gonna do something here in this hot sauce. So the first thing that you want to do is prep all your ingredients, and so we're gonna be chopping up our peppers to go inside the Instant Pot. If you want to sort of make your hot sauce a little more mild, what you can do is remove the seeds from the peppers, but again, we're going to keep the seeds in the peppers because we want this to be as hot as humanly possible. So let's cut those peppers. And with the peppers in the Instant Pot, let's give them a try. There you go. Ready? Oh, cheers. Oh, it's not hot. It's not even hot at all. Next, we'll be adding our onions. So let's get those ready. Alright, the onions are in. Now let's add our garlic. Yeah, so we're just taking a little spoonful of garlic there. I don't even know exactly how much that is. Probably doesn't matter, add as much to whatever your taste is. And now we'll add some lime juice to taste, just to give it a nice little twist. We're gonna add some of our agave nectar here. And what that'll do is sort of make the hot sauce stick to itself and stick to wings or chips or whatever you're using it for. And of course, we're gonna add 2 cups of our white distilled vinegar. If you add more than 2 cups, that'll give the hot sauce a little bit more of a liquidy consistency. If you add a little less than 2 cups, that'll make it a little thicker, almost like a salsa or something. We're gonna do 2 cups just so it's it's right there in the middle. Yeah, so we got just over 2 cups, that's fine. Put that right in there. Alright, ready?
No.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Alright, now let's get the top on this bad boy, and we're gonna heat all the ingredients in there for about 10 minutes just to soften them up a little bit and allow the vinegar to soak into those vegetables there. And after that, we're gonna throw it all into a blender and mash it up so we get our final product, the hot sauce. Alright, so our hot sauce has been sort of cooking and marinating in that thing for maybe like 15 minutes now. Instead of 10, we forgot that it was in there. So yeah, that should be fine though. I don't think that matters. I think that will only make it better, probably.
Yeah.
So let's just try this out. Mando, do you wanna? Well, first off, just make sure that you don't have your face anywhere near the vent valve, especially with all those spices in there. If that gets in your face, it's just not going to be a good scene.
Game.
That capsaicin, you know, that's what it is. So spin that and let's. It's a lot of pepper fumes.
Yeah. It then
Smells good.
good.
That smells great, actually.
Wine to them.
And once it's done venting in the pin there, that signifies whether the machine is pressurized or not, drops. We can open it up, spinning it this way, this way.
Yep.
You take that off, and wow, that looks and smells fantastic. That looks great.
I can't
Just set that there.
Yeah.
You get something to scoop up all the stuff in there. Put it in this blender. Yeah, so just by smelling it right now, it doesn't smell all that spicy actually. It does have a pretty good flavor. It's the vinegar is just I think the vinegar gets you. I think we can probably grab some oven mitts and dump the rest in there. So I got my oven mitts. I'm just gonna grab this here, carefully lift this out and try not to burn myself, and pour that in. That's just the vinegar and the lime juice and the agave nectar in there. That looks so good. Alright, let's put the top on here and fire up. Okay. Yeah. You just gotta be a little careful because it is hot. And it's a little hot, and so the hot stuff might come out the top. You just gotta be just be mindful of that. Make sure you have this mechanism on the top of the blender locked in place.
Yum.
That looks pretty good, I think.
Yeah.
So that's a nice, like, green color. You know, you had to predict that it was going to be green based on the colors of the peppers that we put in there and all our ingredients. Let's get to set that in there. Hopefully that doesn't melt. We got some chips here, actually. No, I think give it a try here. There you go. Give it a try there. Oh yeah, that's steaming. You went for it? How is it? I think it's pretty good.
Bad.
That is pretty good.
You ate the vinegar.
You can taste the vinegar? That's the best part. So this is a great, easy recipe for an awesome hot sauce. It's the recipe is super malleable. You can really put whatever peppers you want in there. We might try this with some hotter peppers next time, just to see if we can, get a little more kick. But this is great if you want to impress your friends or family members for sporting events or just parties or something like that. Super Bowl is coming up. This would be great to debut tomorrow. People would love it. Your family members, of course. Hopefully everyone is social distancing and being responsible as far as their health goes. What do you think, Mando? Was this a success?
Yeah.
All right. That stuff is good. That's really good. 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And comment below what peppers we should use next for a different hot sauce.
That was really cool.
Yeah, this was really cool. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.